Okay,
Is it recording?
this is,
Okay.
this is me and Mitch.
Yep.
And we actually don't suck at skating that bad, but we do pretty much suck.
We can like do a sign transfer thingy, whatever that it's called. It's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. We're gonna do it now.
Yeah. It got all right. We do actually suck pretty much. Now it's my turn. I had waffles for breakfast.
So did I. They were good chocolate waffles with syrup. Now, of course, now that we're getting recorded, we're not going to be able to, you know what I mean?
What?
Now that we're recorded, we're not going to.
I know, right? Oh, done. Perfect. Oh! Almost tripped it. I gotta need to go home.
Double. Yeah. Okay.
That's how we can do it. We'll make more videos.
Later. When we get better. Okay.